Let's see what is a perimeter in this video. So a perimeter is a distance along the outline of the two-dimensional shape. Or in other words, we can say it is the boundary or the border of the two-dimensional shape. Let's understand this with an example. So here we have a triangle and we want to find out what is the perimeter of this triangle. So how do we do that? Now to find the perimeter of this triangle, we need to measure the distance along its outline. Or in other words, as we said, we need to measure its boundary or the border. So basically, we are going to find the total length of its boundary or the border to get the perimeter of this triangle. Now, as this is a triangle, it has three borders, or we can say it has three sides. So if we know the lengths of all the sides of this triangle, we can determine the perimeter of this triangle by adding the lengths of all the sides. Let's say this side of the triangle is 3 units, this side is 3 units, and this side is 5 units. Now the unit could be any unit of measurement like meter, centimeter, or millimeter. Let's say we have a unit meter. So this side is 3 meters, this side is 3 meters, and this side is 5 meters. Now let's add the lengths of all these three sides. So we will get 3 plus 3 plus 5. That equals 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 5 is 11 meters. So the perimeter of this triangle is 11 meters. Now the unit of the perimeter is the same as the unit of the length of the side. So here as we have the unit that is meter, so the unit of the perimeter is also meter. Let's take one more example. Here we have a rectangle and the lengths of all the sides of this rectangle are given. So let's add the lengths of all the sides to get the perimeter of this rectangle. So we will get 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. That equals 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 2 is 12 millimeters. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 12 millimeters. Now here the unit of the length of the side is millimeter, therefore the unit of the perimeter is millimeter. Okay, now we have a hexagon and as you can see the lengths of all the sides of this hexagon are same, which is 2 meters. So let's add the lengths of all the sides of this hexagon to get its perimeter. Therefore we will add 2 6 times. Now as we are adding 2 6 times, so we can also write this as 6 times 2, that equals 12 meters. So the perimeter of this hexagon is 12 meters. So are you getting this idea? We can determine the perimeter of any polygon by adding the lengths of its sides. Now what if we get polygon like this one? So here also we are going to follow the same method. We are going to add the lengths of all the sides that makes this shape. So let's add them. Therefore we will get 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5. Now the sum of all these numbers is 22 centimeters. So the perimeter of this polygon is 22 centimeters. Let's have one more polygon. Now you can see the lengths of all the sides of this polygon are given. So how about you pause the video and add the lengths of all the sides to get the perimeter of this polygon. Okay, let's add the lengths of all the sides. So we will get 6 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. So the sum of all these numbers is 21 meters. Therefore, the perimeter of this polygon is 21 meters.